Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to send automated emails, recover abandoned carts, and run advanced email marketing campaigns, connecting Klaviyo to Squarespace is a total must. So in today's video, I will show you step by step how to actually integrate Squarespace with Klaviyo in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, go all the way to Klaviyo, sign in, or even open a new account, so you can basically connect your account dashboard. Create or select a list, make sure you have at least 20 email lists ready. Then we're gonna go to your Klaviyo public API key. Go to Account, Settings, API Keys, and copy the public API key. It's time now to go to Squarespace login or Squarespace website, where we're gonna put our email address, password, so we can sign in to see our main dashboard. So now we're gonna go and try to access settings. So we are on account settings. We're gonna go to developer tools. We're gonna go for developer API keys. As you see here, we have API keys. So copy the public API key. After all of this, you should go to the settings. We're gonna go to the marketing here. We have this SEO appearance, ensure your site is optimized for search engine and visitors. You have multiple options such as customer notification, branding, and third-party tools. We're gonna go to extensions, for example. Okay, let's go look if we can find Klaviyo here. For example, we can SEO space, trunk, and multiple option, connected extension, shipping, and sales and marketing. So as you see here, we have multiple options. All you're gonna do now is connect your Klaviyo by choosing Klaviyo, then pasting your API key and authorizing the connection. Add a sign-up form, insert a newsletter or form block and connect it to Klaviyo, then test the integration. Submit a test email and confirm it appears on your Klaviyo list, and that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.